With the menu button, I can make settings, display infos on the app and call up the help function. Via the menu preferences, I can alter the parameters of the graphic display as well as the measurement duration and the x-axis scaling. In addition to this, I can freely configure 3 headers and a footer. This info is then always displayed in the measurement report. Measurement values can be stored in various output formats, such as PDF files, for example. If desired, the output format can be queried when storing. Finally, I choose a directory on the SD card where I would like to store the measurement data and confirm with OK. You also have the option of sending the measurement report to a recipient as an email attachment. To do this, I enter the email address of the recipient and confirm it with OK. This email address is now stored as standard and is used when sending the email. To return to the measurement, I press Back. The Help function allows me to see which flue gas measuring instruments can be used in combination with the app and which functions are available.